a string cheese for dinner? Yeah.
Hi again.
Yeah, anything else or just a string cheese?
A string cheese. When you go up this,
And an orange?
it's not as dangerous.
Should go pick it off the table, or off the tree, I mean.
Let's see.
The orange tree?
Is there an orange tree here?
No.
At home.
We were talking about dinner. Ezra says we're gonna go home, we're gonna have a string cheese and an orange, and then go to sleep in our bed. Oh no, in the shower too, huh? Because we're kind of stinky and dirty from all this hiking and stuff.
And sweating and going in stinky water and stuff like
Well,
that.
Emma's got a ninja stick.
Oh yeah, it was in there,
A
remember?
quarter staff. Yeah.
Taylor, wanna come in my boat with me? Hey, you'll be
You gonna be able to make it all the way back to the car bed?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be a long hike, but we'll do it, huh?
Okay, bye.
Uh-oh.